There everybody, I'm doing a really quick video for you to show you how you use the My Family group in order to pull ordinances when you're going to go to the temple. Also, how to add people to that group from your temple reservation list. Okay, so here is my catfish phone and I'm going to go into the app that is the Family Tree app. It's called Family Tree, but it is the Family Search app, and you can tell that from the logo. When I tap on it, it opens up and it goes directly to my tree. So what I go to is the hamburger menu, those three lines over on the upper left corner, and I tap on it. And a slide out menu comes, and family groups is what you want. Now, I'm not sure how to do this on a laptop or a PC because actually I don't really use that. For Family Search, I really use my phone. Anyway, I'm going to tap on Family Groups. My cat is here to help me. And it opens up. So I have a picture of one of my favorite places in Lloyd Harbor. And it's called My Family of Choice. And so what you do then is you tap on View Group. And it shows all of our members so far, which is wonderful. Thank you all for joining. I really appreciate it. And then you go to group reservations. And as ever, anything that's blue is a hot link to something else. So under My Family of Choice, friends and family who are temple going people, it says group reservations in blue. So I tap on that and it downloads all of the people. These are all the people who need work done going to the temple. And so in order to reserve any one of them, all you do is tap on the circle on the far right for that person. And then you can either reserve it for later, which means it moves that person and those ordinances out of this group and onto your temple reservations list. And if you are a generational member of the church, then that might well be something that you could do. It would certainly take them off of my list, which is good because my list is kind of huge, and that would be one way to do it. Or if you know you're going to the temple that day, or in preparation for a temple day, you tap on Take to the Temple, and then it will walk you through printing out your tickets. So one way or the other, you can draw people who are family and friends of the family and friends who are in this group. And that way we can all take care of one another's people. If you want to add more people to this group, please do. And the way that you do that is I'm going to go back to the hamburger menu. I'm going to go back to family groups and view group. And see, it says members 5. And then there's a little gray sort of person with a plus. You can do that. You tap on that and it'll pull up and you can actually just copy. And by doing that, you've copied the invitation to your clipboard, and then you can send it to whomever you think would be a good member of this group. Somebody who goes to the temple a lot, maybe even somebody who's relatively new to Family Search. Maybe there's a recent convert, or somebody who's getting more active in temple work after not having done any for a while. Whole different, panoply of choices that you have there. Another thing that you can do is right next to the little person with the plus, there's a little speech bubble, and if you tap on it, you can send everybody a message. And I'm going to do that now. And I'm just going to say, thank you all for being here. And I'm going to say posting a private how-to video on YouTube. So I'm going to send you the link for this video, and then you'll be able to know how to use it as well. So that's that. Just thank you so much for joining this group. It's really helpful to me to know that people are working on, particularly on the people I find, because sometimes I find, a lot of times actually, I find, small children whose work was never done, who weren't even added to the family search tree, working on that, and just ordinances that have been left behind. And, it's really important to me to see that these things are done. So thank you very, very, very much. And as I say, feel free to add people, particularly men, because the men are outnumbered in this group right now. Adam, I believe you're the only one. And we need more men to be able to take on the individual ordinances for men, as well as the sealings, obviously, the sealings to spouses. But it's really important that we be sure that we get everybody baptized, confirmed through their initiatories, endowed, before they can do any of the other sealings. So thank you so much, and have a beautiful, beautiful day. Okay? Bye.